Hi everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I got a swap-in, hashtag swap and glue from A Day in My World, aka Wanda. Let's check it out. Paper clipped. Let's see. Oh, look at that scenery. I like landscapes, so that's cool. Ooh, that's cool. Both sides. Oh no, this is cool, as well as that's cool. Hmm. That's gonna be a choice. That's gonna be hard. And we got this. I think this is in Spanish. I'm gonna have to Google that to see what it says. I think this is portraits. Portraits. That. I have no idea. That says portraits. I don't know. The ut at color. Yeah, my audition. Portraits home. That's kind of cool. And we got this one. Chickens! Welcome to the farm. And a garden. And a bed. Excuse me. Kitchen. Now there's my farmhouse kitchen table. I always wanted a farm looking kitchen, so let's play. We got some dice. And a lady. Celebrate your love, all handmade. Now that's cool. I can use those words. And oh, look at washboards. Hey, my washboards are more creative. It's a Christmas washboard, so I guess that makes a difference. And then outside. See this? How this bit? This is why it works. Let's see. I've just seen it on a picture. Right here. That's how when I get to Scott's dad's, because his paneling is so dark, I'm going to do that to it. So it lightens up the room. Oh, it's a good look at Rosie's Crafty Backyard Shed. That's cute. And if I needed that, I'd need it twice as bigger just for my craft. Sweet escapes. We have a turtle. What's the turtle say? Okay, she did leave something behind, but it was ungodly amount of eggs in a fridge and weird. Most awkward roommate moments when I woke up one morning and discovered that my roommate had packed up everything and moved to another country without telling me. What was your weirdest roommate experience today? It's true. We only live once. Even our cats, when the first time he's truly seized the day, yo. Okay. And here we have like a bedroom, like cool. Here's the old building. And then we have a storybook. Oh, look at the little critter, unicorn. And we have this one, PJ and his friends. Oh, look at this one. That's pretty. We have a farmer. There's some penguins. And then we have this one. Gettysburg's address. No, oh. No, I might not even use this. I like to know where you got this book out of. I'm a history buff, so I'll put stuff like this. I'd love this whole book. That's cool. It's got the facts. Thank you, Wanda, for swapping with me. I will be doing a layout shortly, maybe tonight. In the next 2 days, I'll have one up. I may go live and do it, or I may just do a video and share it. But I want to guys would like to swap with me, just email me. This is the hashtag swap and glue. There is a lot of ladies or gentlemen possibly doing it. I will have a Day in My World's channel linked in the description box below, so go over and check out her channel. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.